Hi, it's another great day in Orange County, California. This is July 3rd, perfect 85-degree weather. So I'm getting my car washed. But I want to show you this little plant here. He's growing really well. This little planter area. Here we have some here, and over here. Real common ornamental. It's a type of lily. Well, he's not a true lily, but they call him a lily. He's a lemon daylily. Sometimes called a lemon lily, even a yellow daylily. Wow, and he grows out here in these clumps we have out here in our little planter bed. So the scientific name is Hemerocallis lilioasphodelus. All right, and he comes. He's not native to California. He comes from China, Europe, Italy, even Slovenia. It's called a daylily because his flowers here, they only last for one day. We have 3 petals, 2, 3, and 3 sepals, 2, 3, the littler guys. And together they're all called tepals. We got lots of little anthers down there, the yellow pollen on top. Wow, little ovaries there as well. These guys are not bulbs, like a true lily has bulbs. They're not true lilies. They grow from like tubular roots down here. They spread out, and then they store the water and help these guys grow, and they blossom out in late spring, and right now it's July, of course. So we got these pretty flowers, and sometimes they'll bloom twice in a season, so that's cool. So the flowers here, they'll last a day, then they'll rebloom, and they'll die back. Like we have these dead guys here, and they'll have these seed buds here, right? And they're not ready yet, but you pop them open like that. We got all these pretty black seeds. Look at that, beautiful. It's another week or so. Those will be ready. You just kind of take them, you plunk them in your garden, little starter pot, and they should grow really nicely for you. Look at that. This one here has been trimmed back a little bit from the older flowers. So this guy here is going to bloom probably tomorrow. And down here we have a layer, right? This one's today, this one's later, and later. So they keep blooming and blooming. And the strategy, what you want to do is you want to always cut the flowers off, and it promotes more flowers from growing underneath. So they're not really good for arrangements because they die in one day, but they're good for a one-day arrangement if you want. So you propagate it by seeds, and also you can dig this up and separate the bottom parts and separate the plant and the clumps, and then replant them, and then they should grow quite nicely. So we got it all. Here's this all maple plum here. All right, real common ornamental. See if I find a good one with seeds. These guys all bloomed, so they've all kind of bloomed away here. And I got the seed pods. I don't have a real ripe one to show you. Here's a big one right here. Look at this guy here. All right, see what he looks like inside. Well, a little difficult to open. There we go. Little black seeds right there. And you plant them, and they do great. There's some more over here. Pretty flowers. Look at this guy. Absolutely huge though. See that? I palm my hand. Big, big flowers. Just gorgeous. All right, so hope you liked that little video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.